Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Last class we discussed the examples based on properties of determinants. That continuation we are taking here. See, the given example is if x, y, z are different and given delta is first row x square plus 6 cube, y square plus 5 cube, z square plus z cube is 0. Then prove that or show that 1 plus xyz is 0. What is given delta? See. First column x, y, z, second column x square, y square, z square, third column 1 plus x cube, 1 plus y cube, 1 plus z cube. And we know the property, if any row or column is sum of two terms, then we can express this one as sum of two determinants. Means first column, second column as it is, only which one changes? Third column is changes. See, x, y, z, x square, y square, z square as it is. Very first 1, 1, 1, we are getting sum of two determinants plus x, y, z, x square, y square, z square. Third column is x cube, y cube, z. Okay. Then next, see here, we know that if any two row or any two columns are interchanged, if any two row or any two columns are interchanged, then the value of the determinant is changes its sign. Value of the determinant is changes its sign. Therefore, if we change first column as well as third column, interchange. Third column become first column. First column become third column. Actually, which one changes? Sign is changes. Minus. Yeah, right. Next, see. First row x common, second row y common, third row z common. Take outside x, y, z. We get 1 x square, 1 y square, 1 z square. Okay. Next, again we are interchanging. Correct. Again we are interchanging second column as well as third column. Interchange these two columns. First x, y, z. Next x, y square, z square. Okay. Means again, which sign is we are multiplying? Minus sign. Minus 1 the square. Minus 1 the whole square means what is this? 1. Correct. 1 into 1 x square, 1 y square, 1 z square. Plus x, y, z. 1 x square, 1 y square, 1 z square. Means naturally here the determinant is 4. Therefore we can take outside. Okay, means we can get this implies 1 plus x, y, z. This first row 1 x square, 1 y square, 1 z square. But we want to prove that 1 plus x, y, z is 0. For that, we have to make it the operation of this determinant. For that, I will do see. R1 to R1 minus R2 means this is first row, as you know that. This is second row, this is third. Means we are doing the operation in R1 in the form of R1 to R1 minus R2. Next, R1 to R1 minus R2 we are done. Next, R2 to R2 minus R3 and I mentioned maximum how many number of operations we are doing? 2 operations. If you done third operation, then the value of the determinant is 0, then we get it is a meaningless form. Therefore, maximum we are doing the 2 operations at a time. 1 plus x, y, z. See, we are doing the operation in the first row, therefore, which one changes? First row changes. 1 minus 1. Next, x minus y. Next, x square minus y square. Okay, first row changes. Next, R2 minus second row changes. R2 to R2 minus R3. 1 minus 1. Y minus z. Y square minus z square. Third row there is no changes. Therefore, write as it is 1 z. Okay. Next, we write 1 plus x, y, z. Okay. See, we know that x square minus y square. We have the formula a square minus b square is a minus b, a plus b. Therefore, x square minus y square, we can write what? X minus y into x plus y. This is 0. X minus y. X minus y into x plus y. Again it is 0. Y minus z. Y square minus y square is y minus z into y plus z. 1 z. Okay, like this. See the first row. First row, which one is common? X minus. Second row, which one is common? Y minus. Take it outside. 1 plus x, y, z. X minus y, y minus z. We get 0, 1, x plus y. 0, 1, y plus z. 1, z, z. And I mentioned make it upper triangular or lower triangular, or this form or this form or this form or this form. Make it convert 0 so that you can get the required answer. See, I will do again operation. See, we will do the operation of R1 to R1 minus R2. This is first row, as you know that this is first row. This is second row. This is third row. Correct? We will do the operation R1 to R1 minus R2. So that we get it is 1 plus x, y, z, x minus y, y minus z, 0 minus 0. Correct? 0 minus 0. 1 minus 1, next x plus y, take subtraction, minus y, minus z. There is no changes in the second as well as third row. Therefore, write as it is 0, 1, y plus z, 1 z, z plus y, minus y get cancelled. We get 1 plus x, y, z, x minus y, y minus z means it is 0. 0, x minus z, 0, 1, y plus z, 1, z, z. Correct? We have done upper triangle. Will see. Make it like this. We get the required either upper triangle or lower triangle. Convert it into the form of 0 so that you can get the answer. See here. In the first row, which one is common? X minus z. Take outside. 1 plus x, y, z. X minus y. Y minus z. X minus z. We get the answer is 0, 0, 1. 0, 1, y plus z. 1, z, z. Expanded using the determinant method. Plus, minus, plus. We will get it is 1 plus x, y, z, x minus y, y minus z, x minus z. Okay. And expand is 0 minus 0 because meaningless form. Plus 1, for that leave the row, leave the column, we get 0 minus 1. Correct? Means you can write this one as 1 plus x, y, z, x minus y, y minus z, x minus z into which sign? Minus 1. Or we can write 1 plus x, y, z, x minus y, y minus z. Take minus sign into third row. We will get it is minus 6 plus z. Means it is z minus x. Multiply minus 1 with this. We will get it is z minus 6. And it is mentioned already what it is. This is equal to 0. This is given. Okay. See here what is mentioned. X, y, z are different. X, y, z are different means if they are equal then only these three are 0. But mentioned they are different, means actually x minus y. Naturally, x minus y not equal to 0, y minus z not equal to 0, z minus x not equal to 0, because mentioned x, y, z are different. If they are same, then only it is possible to these three are equal, otherwise not. Therefore, only which one is left here? 1 plus x, y, z is correct. This way we can do this example. Do you understand? We will take next example. That is, next example is, prove that the determinant 2, 7, 65, 3, 8, 75, 5, 9, 86 is equal to. Okay, this is the given example. We want to prove this is equal to. Okay, we will take directly the given example. This is solution. And use the properties of determinant, convert this one is 0. See, we will write first column as it is 2, 3, 5. Second column is also as it is. Only higher number containing which column? Third column. Convert better, this one is in the form of simple form. See, 7 9s are what? 63 plus 2, so that you can get 65. You understood? 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 2 will get 65. Next, 8 9s are 72 plus 3, so that you can get 75. Next, 9 9s are 81 plus you can add 5, so that you get it is 86. Means only which one changes here? Third column is changed. Okay, and we know that by using the properties, if any row or column is sum of two terms, it can be expressed as sum of two determinants. Knowing that one, we can write this one as first column as it is 2, 3, 5. Second column is also as it is 7, 8, 9. Only which one changes? Third column. 7 into 9, 8 into 9, 9 into 9. Plus sum of two determinants. We are doing it. Again, first column as it is 2, 3, 5. Second column is also as it is 7, 8, 9. Only third column, that is 2, 3, 5. Because first one we have written already, the first determinant. Next, see, in the third column, which one is common? 9, 9, 9. And we know that if any row or column is multiplied by some constant k, then it is multiplied by the whole determinant. Okay, knowing that, we can take which one is common? 9 is common. Take 9 common, we get 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, because we are taking the common. And next, again, there is a property, if any row or column, is similar, see, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, then the whole determinant is what? 0, by using the property. Again, see, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. Two columns are similar. It's what we get? 0. 0 plus 0 is what? 0. In this way, you can do the given example. And next example, mention, prove that B plus C, first row, Q plus R, Y plus Z, second row, C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X, third row, A plus B, P plus Q, X plus Y is 2 times A, P, X, B, Q, Y, C, R, Z. This is the example. See, here we need, this is in the form of APX, BQY, CHL in the row wise. For that, see, we can do, the given example is P plus C, Q plus R, Y plus Z, C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X, A plus B, P plus Q, X plus Y. In first column, second column, third column, entirely the variables are changes. For that, we can add all three. 2C, 2A, 2B we get. Correct? Next, 2P, 2Q, 2R we get. We can take 2 outside so that we can get easily the answer. Next, see, 2Z, 2X, 2Y. Correct? Therefore, we are applying. We take directly solution. Okay? R1, first row, this one. This one we call it as what here? R1. Everyone know that it is R1, it is R2, R3. See, sum will get 2A, 2B, 2C. Therefore, I will upright R1 to R1 plus R2 plus R. We get B plus C, C plus A plus B. First row changes. Next, second, Q plus R plus P plus third, Y plus Z plus X plus Y. Next, second row as it is C plus A, R plus P, Z plus 6. Third row as it is A plus B, P plus Q, X plus Y. 2C, 2A, 2B, 2P, 2Q, 2R, 2Z, 2X, 2Y. Which one is common here? 2 is common. Okay, right? 2 times A plus B plus C, C plus A plus B. 2 times P plus Q plus R plus P plus Q. All this. Next, 2 times X plus Y plus Z plus 6, X plus Y. Okay. Next, see, throughout first row, which one is common? 2 common. Take outside. 2 is common. You can write this A plus B plus C first. C plus A plus B. P plus Q plus R plus P plus Q. X plus Y plus Z plus 6, X plus Y. Next, see, now here we want a single term. For that, we'll do A plus B plus C is there. If I take this one, which one? C plus A, C subtraction, we'll get B. Correct. But we need here A. If we need A, what we can do here? A plus B plus C. C plus A plus B. For that, we apply C. R2, this one. R2 to R2 minus R1. R2 to R2 minus R1. Next, R3 to R3 minus R1. See, this is R1 row, R2 row, R3. So that we can get the answer is the single terms 2 times. A plus B plus C as it is, there is no changes. B plus Q plus R as it is, X plus Y plus Z. Which one changes? R2 to R2 minus R1 means C plus A minus B minus P plus Q plus R, sorry, R plus P minus Q minus R. Z plus X minus Y minus Z. Next again R3 to R3 minus R1. A plus B minus A minus B minus C. P plus Q minus P minus Q minus Z. Next X plus Y minus X minus Y minus Z. Okay, like this we will get. Next C. Plus A minus A plus C minus C. It cancels. Plus P minus P plus R minus R. Plus Z minus Z plus X minus X. D, A. P, Q. X, Y. So that you can get it is of the form 2 times A plus B plus C minus B into next P plus Q plus R minus Q into minus R. X plus Y plus Z minus Y minus Z. Next, we get this is in the form of 2 times. See, minus B minus Q minus C minus R minus Z. Do the subtraction R1 to, not subtraction, addition, R1 to R1 plus R2 plus R2, so that B, C get cancelled, we get A only. Okay, means we are operating the operation R1 to R1 plus R2 plus R2 sum. R1 plus R2 plus R2. We get A plus B plus C minus B minus C. P plus Q plus R minus Q minus R. X plus Y plus Z minus Y minus Z. And like this minus B minus C minus Q minus R followed minus Y minus Z. C, Q, R, Y, Z. That's it. We get this 2 times A, P, X. Throughout here which one is common? Minus sign. Here also minus sign common. Means 2 into minus 1 the square. We can take so. This is minus common, this minus. How many times minus common? 2 times. And this is B, Q, Y, C, R, Z. And it is 2 times. Minus 1 square is 1. Therefore, we can write this 2 times A, P, X, B, Q, Y, C, R. This is the given answer. Are you understood? In this way, we can do the given